In the last 2 years, I have probably seen over 100 farmers. The severe drought in the area has damaged crops more than we've seen, especially in my lifetime. The farmers who are farming don't know what to do, really. They are devastated beyond belief. They don't want to see me come to their farm. Really, they're doing the best job they can for the conditions that we have. They're feeding and clothing our nation, and they need crop insurance to be able to move on to the next year if they have any kind of multi-peril or hail disaster. It's said that those farmers would rather not see a successful crop and would rather rely on the insurance industry, which is not true at all. Being raised on a farm, I can tell you that the home life of a farmer is a great one. You raise your children just like you raise your crops, and you feel that same love for your crops as you do for your family. These people are not trying or praying for bad weather, but they have to have something to protect them. It would be more profitable to raise a successful crop than it would be to collect insurance every year. And on top of that, with their yields going down as they file for a claim for insurance, their money goes down. No one could make a living just collecting crop insurance. It's impossible to not work at it. I grew up on a family farm. My dad started when he was 5 years old and didn't have a large farm. It was just our small family farm. About 10 years ago, we had to get out of the farming industry because of inclement weather, not being able to make it, and being too proud to collect crop insurance because of the stigma that's put on farmers to not want to work for their money. The reason that I got into crop insurance was because I would like to see the farmer helped. These people are feeding and clothing our nation, and because of the stigma that they are collecting insurance instead of working is awful. These people get that idea in their heads and will not file a claim, even though they're paying for that coverage.